Goodbye, Sasha! I said goodbye! I'm sorry about that. They mean no harm.
Don't they? Is something you want?
Yes, I'd like to talk to you.
I'd rather not.
I've often noticed you at the booksellers. Not many girls in this village like to read. Would you like this book? Very good.
No, thank you.
Why? Because I'm not Jewish? Do you feel about us the way they feel about you? I didn't think you would.
What do you know about me?
Let me tell you about myself. I'm a pleasant fellow, charming, honest, ambitious, quite bright, and very modest.
I think we should be talking this way.
I often do think that you. Go ahead, take the book. Happens to be Jewish, I believe.
That doesn't matter.
You're quite right. After you return it, we'll talk about it for a while. Then we'll talk about life and how we feel about things. It could all turn out quite pleasant.
Oh, hello, Bianca.
Good day.
But you forgot your book.
Oh, no, it's mine.
Good day, Hava.
Good day, Hop.